Expert kitchen remodeling services in Syracuse, Utah. EagleRidge provides expert kitchen remodeling and renovation services in Syracuse, Utah, 84075, designed to enhance both functionality and style. Our team ensures a seamless transformation from the initial consultation to the final finishing touches. We begin with a detailed discussion to understand your vision, followed by precise planning and expert craftsmanship. Whether you're looking for a modern upgrade, custom cabinetry, or a complete kitchen overhaul, we handle every aspect of your project with precision and care. Our services include kitchen makeovers, custom renovations, countertop installations, flooring upgrades, backsplash designs, lighting solutions, plumbing, appliance installation, and more. With a commitment to quality and efficiency, we create kitchens that are both beautiful and practical. Ready to transform your kitchen? Call EagleRidge at 801-784-1457 or visit our website at eagleridgepros.com for a free estimate.